How to add a Slack workspace on mobile app. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Slack. Click on Install. After installing, tap on Open and sign into your account. Now tap on Create a Workspace. Now enter your name, tap on Next. Now invite your teammates and tap on Next or click on Escape. Now fill up the details, tap on Next. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.